Is Afghanistan a heaven for terrorism today? In 2025, that question is no longer a matter of speculation, but a growing international concern. In recent months alone, official statements have come from Russia, China, Iran, UN, and the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. All of them point to same alarming reality. Afghanistan, under Taliban rule, has once again become a hub for transnational terrorist groups. In September 2025, Russia, China, Iran, and others issued a joint quadrilateral statement on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly. They confirmed that ISIS, Al-Qaeda, TTP, Jaish al-Adl, and other groups are operating freely from Afghan soil. The statement called for urgent cooperation to tackle threats of terrorism, radicalism, and drug trafficking emanating from Afghanistan. In Moscow format talks held in October, participating countries, including Russia and its Central Asian partners, expressed deep concern over the presence of ISIL, Khorasan, Al-Qaeda, and the TTP inside Afghanistan. They urged the Taliban to ensure Afghan territory is never used to threaten neighboring countries. For Moscow and its allies, the fear is clear. Instability in Afghanistan could easily spill across border and export radicalism to the wider region. At the Shanghai Cooperation Organization meeting, members including China reiterated their call on the Taliban to stop the training and financing of terrorism inside Afghanistan. They warned that the country's instability directly endangers regional peace and security. Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov has repeatedly voiced alarm. He revealed that thousands of ISIS and other militants are now based inside Afghanistan, a mounting threat to the entire region. A UN report released in August painted an even grimmer picture. It described ISIS Khorasan as the greatest extra-regional terrorist threat today, running training camps inside Afghanistan and expanding operations beyond its border. The report warns that ISIS-K is recruiting from Central Asia and planning international attacks, including in the parts of Europe. Finally, the Collective Security Treaty Organization, a bloc led by Russia, cautioned that the growing concentration of extremist groups in northern Afghanistan has become a source of regional instability. These are not political accusations. They are official acknowledgements from world powers, international organizations, and regional alliances alike. Afghanistan today is no longer just a country under Taliban rule. It has become a safe haven for transnational terrorist attacks.